Okay guys, we're going to go from factored form and graph in factored form. When you're in factored form or intercept form, this gives you your x-intercepts, your solutions, your roots, and your zeros. So you're going to set the factors equal to 0. I have two factors here. I have x and x plus 4. So I have x equals 0, x plus 4 equals 0. So I'm going to subtract 4, x equals negative 4. So that's going to give me my zeros, 0, 0, because when I know when x is 0, for intercepts y is 0, and then negative 4, 0. All right, I can't find the vertex here, so we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and we are going to transfer this to standard. Remember, anytime you're going from any form, you have to go from standard form to factored, standard form to vertex. So we have to do standard first. So we're going to distribute here. So we're going to distribute that x. We get f of x equals x squared plus 4x. Okay, what does standard form give us? Our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is our c. There is no c here, so it's 0, and we knew that from this other 0. So 0, 0 is our x-intercept and our y-intercept. All right, so now I need to go to vertex. So I cannot convert factored to vertex. I have to go from factored to standard and standard to vertex. So I have f of x equals x squared plus 4x. I know my a is 1 and my b is 4. So I'm going to use the axis of symmetry equation. And I'm going to get negative 4 over 2 times 1. So that's going to give me negative 2. So that's my x of my vertex. So far I know my x is negative 2. Okay, so I take this and I plug it back in to solve for y. Okay, so I have f of negative 2 equals negative 2 times negative 2 plus 4. Or you could have plugged it into this one, either way. Negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2. And negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So you can plug it into your factored form, or you can plug it into your standard. You get the same thing. Okay? So my vertex is negative 2, negative 4. So let's go back up here and graph now. So our vertex is negative 2, negative 4. Now, our a is 1, so this is going to open up, and it's going to give me a minimum. Okay? So we're here at negative 2, negative 4, 0, 0, and negative 4, 0. And then we're going to draw our parabola and be good. All right, guys.